I welcome you all. The topic discussed is special curves involute of a square. The question carries 20 marks. Draw the involute of a square of side 30 mm. Also, draw a tangent and normal to any point on the curve. Definition of an involute. An involute is a curve traced by a point on a taut cord in bracket string as it unwinds from around a circle or a polygon. Given square of side 30 mm. First, take a A3 sheet, draw margin on all four sides using HB pencil. Write the question number on the left top corner. Now, let us start the construction of an involute of a square. So, first draw the square. Draw a horizontal line of length equal to 30 mm. Mark the end point as A, the other end point as 1. Here, A1 is the first side of a square of length 30 mm. Now, from the point 1, using protractor, draw a perpendicular line of length 30 mm. Mark the point as 2. Similarly, from the point A, using protractor, draw a perpendicular line of length 30 mm. Mark the point as 3. Now, using a scale, join 2 and 3. The length measured must be equal to 30 mm. So here we have drawn a square A, 1, 2, 3, A, all of equal length of measurement 30 mm. All the sides are of equal length 30 mm. Now the total length of the sides of a square A1, 1, 2, 2, 3, 3A is equal to 30 plus 30 plus 30 plus 30 equal to 120 mm. So, total length of the four sides of a square is equal to 30 into 4 sides equal to 120 mm. Here, draw a horizontal line of length equal to 120 mm. Mark the point 1 on the horizontal line. The distance between A and 1 is 30 mm. Again, mark the point 2 on the horizontal line. The distance between 1 and 2 is 30 mm. Again, mark the point 3 on the horizontal line. The distance between 2 and 3 is 30 mm. Lastly, mark the point 4. Distance between 3 and 4 is 30 mm. Now, distance between A and 1 is 30 mm. A and 2 is 60 mm. A and 3 is 90 mm. A and 4 is 120 mm. So, after drawing the square and drawing a horizontal line of length equal to 120 mm, we will now start the construction of an involute. So, let us now unwind the thread from all the four sides of the square. If A is the end point of the thread and if we unwind the thread from the first side A1, so for the side A1, the adjacent side is 2, 1. So from the line 2, 1, draw an extended line. Simply take a scale, keep it on 2, 1 line and draw an extended line. Now take a compass, measure the length A1 on the horizontal line. This length measures 30 mm. Now keeping the point 1 on the square as center, draw an arc starting from the point A. This curve cuts the extended line at the point A1. Now, after unwinding the thread from the first side A1, unwind the thread from 1 to the second side. To this side 1 to 2, 3 is the adjacent side. So, from the adjacent side, draw an extended line. Take a scale, keep it on 2, 3 line and simply draw an extended line. Now, take a compass, measure the length A2 on the horizontal line. This length measures 60 mm. So taking radius 60 mm, center point 2 on the square, draw an arc starting from A1. This arc cuts the extended line at the point A2. Now after unwinding the thread from the side A1 and 1 2, we will now unwind the thread from the third side 2 3. To this 2 3 side, 3A side is the adjacent side. From this 3A side, draw an extended line. Simply take a scale, keep it on 3A line and draw an extended line. Take a compass, measure the length A3 on the horizontal line. This length measures 90 mm. Now keeping 3A center, the point 3 on the square, draw an arc starting from A2. This arc cuts the extended line at the point A3. Now after unwinding the three sides A1, 1, 2, 2 and 3, the fourth side left out is 3A. To this 3A side, the adjacent side is A1. So take a compass, measure the length A4 on the horizontal line. This length measures 120 mm. So with radius 120 mm, center point A on the square, draw an arc starting from A3 to the horizontal line. This point is A4. Now we have drawn the square, we have drawn the involute of the square. Now draw the answer using thick line, that is using HB pencil. Darken the line A1, 1, 2, 2, 3 and 3A. Also using a compass, draw thick curves A to A1, A1 to A2, A2 to A3, A3 to A4. So this is the answer, the square and involute of a square. So write the name of this curve. Draw two parallel lines. Within that write involute of a square. In the bottom right corner, draw two parallel lines and write all dimensions are in millimeter. It means that whatever dimensions I have shown are in millimeter. So we have completed the first part of the question. We have drawn the involute of a square. The second part is to draw the normal and tangent on any point P on this curve. So let us now mark a point on the curve. I am taking the point P on the curve. The point P is between A2 to A3 arc. Now to this point P, we have to draw the normal and tangent. Now because this point is on the arc between A2 to A3, for this arc A2 to A3, point number 3 on the square was the center point. So from this point 3 on the square, draw a straight line joining P. The end point is N. So Pn is the normal to the curve. To this Pn line, draw the perpendicular line using protractor passing through the point P. Mark the end point as M. Here Pn and Pm, both the lines are perpendicular. Pn is the normal to the curve and Pm is the tangent to the curve. So we have drawn the square, involute of a square. Also we have drawn the normal and tangent to the curve. This is the complete answer. Draw neatly and score full marks. Thank you. All the best.